Hi guys, welcome back with another unboxing video. In today's video we're gonna unbox the Casio Edifice EQB-1000AT-1A Alpha Tauri. Since 2016, Casio is an official partner of the Formula 1 race team Alpha Tauri. Together they bring out a Casio Edifice watch every year, and this is the 2021 model of this year. The watch has a case with a diameter of 46mm and is 9mm thick. It has a sapphire crystal glass and is 10 bar water resistant. The dials and bezels of this model use a 6K dry carbon. And on the back of the case you can read Bluetooth Edifice Casio Alpha Tauri 2021 and some specifications. The strap of this watch has two materials. In the front is a cloth material and on the back is a leather material. This is what the watch looks like on my small wrist. The watch has a Bluetooth function, so you're able to connect the watch with your phone. This is also a solar watch, which means the system converts sunlight and also light from lamps and other sources into power. If you're interested in buying this watch, I've got some great news for you, because we have still 2 models left in our stock. Check it out, the link is in the description. Thank you guys so much for unboxing this watch with us. If you liked the video, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel.